teaching kind of comes naturally. Whether you're learning from somebody else about how to do something or teaching somebody else. My name is Chef Scott Royce. I'm the culinary lab technician and a part-time professor here at Loyalist College in the culinary program. Kitchens here at Loyalist are state-of-the-art and on par with all of the other colleges in the province as well.
I find the equipment here to be amazing. This isn't typically something you're going to just see anywhere.
It was a draw. With all this technology, I could create anything.
Professional kitchens are all about time and space. That's all we have. So it also determines the amount of food that you can produce as how much space you have. Combi ovens are the epitome of versatility. Yes, we can bake. Yes, we can steam. But we can do a combination, hence the name, of both of those things. We purchased our 4 Rationale 62s using the Enbridge Gas Distributor Discount Program from our local kitchen supplier, Trent Valley Distributors.
My name's Chris Auger, and I'm the owner and operator of Trent Valley Distributors here in Belleville, Ontario. When I first purchased the company, it was in dire needs of love. We've done everything from realign our priority vendors and who we have relationships with, and that's how we've gotten to where we are today, is a real wholesome relationship-built business. One of the things we did was sign up for the Enbridge Gas Distributor Discount Program. Anytime we can show a customer a way to save money, a way to make their building more sustainable, a way to help their kitchen run more efficiently, it seems to open the willingness to sit down with us.
These particular units, they're very compact and very tall. So we can fit 14 different slides on these products, which is helpful, and the visibility, right? So everybody can see when something is done, but when I take something out and I adjust that temperature, the recovery time, whether I'm going up or down, is within 2 minutes. They have enabled us to just be a little bit more efficient in the kitchen. The program was easy to access. Trent Valley brought the paperwork. I didn't have to do anything. All I did was get the $1,000.
Selling a piece of equipment is one thing, but selling them on something that they're going to be able to use moving forward and that will sustain and support them moving forward is also important. To partner with a brand such as Enbridge only provides a certain amount of notoriety, and for a company our size, it's incredible to be involved and have a relationship with Enbridge Gas.